Kaseng Kongres natura kalayalom lang hakaja kalek brom ya kiruslur kenong yale thma hatura kabla syak penjat bana kalyang gane ka kanon kala pha panmap sya kiruslur kenong yale thma bat ki ba haying sam ki jongki kane ka jaka sa tainam kaladon komba shispa snamaye Henry kala syak pen prano dak sarkar jala hakajing don lang deputy chief minister barem jong ka jala bat ka working president ka Kongres ka Deborah Marak Utim Jim su Presiden jong ka Youth Congress Meghalaya ka Madam Sarifa ka MLA Barim ka Ferlin Sangma ka MLA Barim ka Brigadi Marak kinong yalam bat kinong bojong ka tei ka seng natura kiliasno ktilang hakane kasngi ka benta ka basngosi kalang basyai ka ja ka burom jong ki reuslur kinong yale thma jong ka riulum garo Henry pat ki garo kala sya nyoben sya pen mensau bat syai no wala da kedon yau menteri ramba ka jala ubade na kajai benreu garo Kaseng Kongres na po tura kaladawa banweng kamno mardor yaw Mr. Marak na katanat sensar jong ketura Municipal Administration bariyaw DC Mr. Jagdish na kakam DC halor ban peni ya ka jingnom ailat jong ka jingsha lebeng ka ba kilale yaki karo.
100-year-old war memorial destruction, and that too when the state has a Garo chief minister, the pride of Garo war heroes from World War I who returned from France and whose lives were sacrificed were maintained, and every July 16 the memorial was conducted here without taking approval from the Geological, Archaeological and Heritage Department, who gave the authority to Mr. Marak and the DC, Mr. Jagdish, to have this destroyed like this. Our MP Saleng Sangma is trying to raise this in the parliament of this heinous insult to the people of Garo. Every Garo's pride is being insulted. The memorial is being insulted. And for a commercial building, the 100-year-old cannot be replaced. Its value is priceless. We offer our unconditional support to the Mothers Union as well as to the entire NGOs who are demanding accountability and transparency from the government on this heinous crime which they have committed to the people of Garo. We want an immediate removal of Mr. Marak and Mr. Jagdish from their responsibilities. I request my colleagues from Garo to further speak on to this one. Thank you.
Singgunung, Singgunung,